Yo, what's up, everybody? It's me. It's Izzy Plays. It's so cringe. Anyways, today I'm playing the Chill Elevator. Don't worry about what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a white trench coat or something. That what? Okay, so this is based off a YouTuber named Flamingo, and he's right here. It's not really him. It's an NPC.
Somebody please put me out of my misery.
I will. I kind of look like a scientist, honestly. No, that's all right. Was that Sans voice?
Somebody please put me out of
Oh,
my misery.
running into something. They oofed it. What the freak? Oh no! Stop, Posse. This guy has a rocket launcher. Watch out. My guy has a rocket launcher. What?
Chillin'.
Oh. Dude.
Chillin'.
Dude, stop. Chillin'. So.
Somebody please put me out of my misery.
Oh. I'm so excited that they play the oofs. Dude, everything's so loud. Shut up! What is this guy wearing? What the hell is this? Give me that. What is that? No, you cheater! Clown. Oh, it's just playing an oof sound.
It's not fair this way! It's not fair when you do it like that!
Dude, this guy is going all out.
Chill.
I kind of don't like this coat. Look at this. Look at this. I kind of look like this. Oh my god. God, this song is so annoying. Oh.
Somebody please put me out of
Shut
my
up.
misery. It's me, Mario.
Oh. You know, yo, Tetris. What the hell is this guy wearing?
It's not fair this way! It's not fair when you do it like that!
This guy's just. Alright.
It's not fair this way!
Shut up.
It's not fair when you do it like that!
Oh god.
Somebody please put me out of my misery.
Hello there. It's time to take over. What the hell is this? Give me this. Just playing this Minecraft Steve Oof sound. Shut up, Flamingo.
It's not fair this way. It's not fair when you do it. It's not fair this
Is he
way.
drilling?
It's not
Ew.
fair when you do it like that.
I don't. It's flood escape. I'm not good at parkour. No. What? Where do I go? No. Oh my god, bro. There's no way this guy's gonna win. Look at him. He's messing up. Oh. What? He died? Died.
Why would you do that?
Stop. That's so loud. Yeah. 6, 5. Shut up. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, that's Felipe. Oh my god. Why? Why, Felipe? I turned off elevator music.
It's not fair when you do it like that.
What is happening? I hear this is ear rape.
It's not fair this way. It's not fair when you do it like that.
And I lost all my items. Heaven. Don't worry, my friends. It is me, Mari. From Mari and me. I don't know what that is. And it's me, Guinea Pig. But from a different movie. We must go now, friends. Goodbye. You know, I just watched Turning Red right now. And this just reminds me of it. They didn't ascend to heaven. They just, you know, they just got something removed at the end. But I'm not going to spoil it. Because I'm not a spoiler. I mean, I kind of hate this green, I hate this white trench coat that I'm wearing right now.
It's not fair this way. It's not fair when you do it like that.
I kind of look like a... Shut up. Oh. Hello, multi-major. I'm your therapist. Hey, Scooby. Can you tell me what's wrong? It's about my name. What about it? These people keep making fun of it. Because how it's spelled. I think my name is Moto. I'm saying something? Bro. Okay. And how does that make you feel? Chill. Ew. Great leader. This guy is taller than me. Wait. How come his... Okay, he just passed out. He has the sleeping... shut up. Alright. What the hell is this? Oh. Oh my god. He just ate him. Well, he's long gone dead, buddy. Oh wait, he's right here.
It's not fair this way. It's not fair when you do it like that.
Meat sounds. Oh no, okay.
It's not do it like that. No! Why would you do that? No!
Is that copyright?
Can do whatever a green screen can. Unless the editor is feeling kind of lazy on this particular video. He's green screen man. Can do whatever a green screen can. Unless there's other things green around him, then everything turns into him. He can turn into lasagna. He can turn into other types of lasagna. He's green screen man. Hey.
Aw. This is okay. I mean, I know I end my videos usually at 10 minutes, but yeah, this is a good filming. This is kind of a good game. It's a game who take memes from the Flamingo fan club, and if you want to join his group, then you can join it down in the description. Or if you want to check out this game, it's also down in the description. And that's 10 minutes. Goodbye.